Konnichiwa! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz, your go-to channel for fun and interactive Japanese quizzes. Today's challenge is all about food. Can you read these Japanese kanji used in everyday ingredients? Let's see how many you can get right. You'll see a word written in kanji. Choose the correct meaning from four options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. Grab a snack and let's begin. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is rice. This kanji can be seen in words like hakumai, which means white rice. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is meat. Niku shows up in gyuniku for beef and toriniku for chicken. If you're a meat lover, this is for you. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is egg. Tamago means egg. You'll see this in tamagowaki, which is the sweet rolled omelet in bento boxes. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is oil. Abura means oil. Check your salad oil bottle. It probably says Sarah D.A. Abura. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is wheat or barley. Mugi is used in mugi cha, a refreshing barley tea. Halfway there. Are you getting all the right answers? Time is up! The correct answer is bean. This kanji can be seen in daizu for soybeans and in tofu. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is salt. Sho is part of the kanji word for table salt or shokuen. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is soy sauce. Shoyu is one of the most common condiments in Japanese cooking. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is vinegar. This kanji is part of sumeshi, which means seasoned rice used in sushi. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is taste. Aji appears in ajimi, meaning taste testing. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up to other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!